Reina Filipinas has just posted a 3-minute video on their Facebook page and I'd like to watch it with you, so tara, panoorin natin.
Rather lose people who don't support me than lose myself along the process.
Smoking mirrors see me clear when you close your eyes. Yeah, the messy ring on your fingers for you. The last time I joined a national pageant was way back 2023. And yes, I've been waiting for this moment because I was shaped by my experiences and obstacles, and I love turning it into a lesson. Now I can fully say that I am ready. Nakakatulong siya actually sa mga kapatid ko. I mean, breadwinner kasi ako eh. I wasn't able to go to college, pero may tatlong college students ako. And gag-graduate na this year yung isa. So, I'm proud. I really tried my best to compose myself. All of the things that I really understand is I did not lose. Rather, I won a lot of experiences. I gained a lot of people, friends, relationships, of course. And of course, I've also gained a lot of new memories. And that makes me who I am today as a beauty queen.
Sobrang ganda ng mukha nitong babaeng to. Christine Marcelino. For me, kamukha niya si at least yung mata niya, kamukha niya si Angel Locsin. And then meron din siyang nanal somewhere here. Si Angel, meron siyang nanal sa upper lip niya. Galing. And then parang silang morena. Alexi.
I mean, I feel like there's two different sets of fake it till you make it. Siguro sometimes when you're tired and you pretend you're happy, that's my definition of fake it till you make it. But then when authenticity is on the line, I think that's something I really can't negotiate. I feel like there were so many times in my life that people told me, like, I wish you were more feminine, or I wish you have longer hair, or I wish you weren't black. But I mean, I never asked to be born this way. It starts with embracing who we are and never negotiating who you are to please other people. Sometimes it's really too hard to be authentic because I feel like if we be honest, sometimes we lose some. But I'd rather lose people who don't support me than lose myself along the process.
Galing! Galing ni Alexi!
I started my transition when I was 15 years old, second year high school po. Wala pa po akong alam sa
Grabe, sobrang puti niya.
concept ng pagiging transgender woman, but I know exactly that I am a woman. I don't know if it's crazy to tell, pero lagi po ako may nakikitang image ng babaeng magandang maputi, na mahaba ang buhok. Even before,
And maybe that's the reason why sobrang puti niya.
when I was young, like 7, 8 years old, siguro dahil fascination ko lang po yun na ako pala siya. Pagla. And Patricia Lorenzo Diaz, Zea Nestle Pala, Sahara Bernales,
Alexi May Kaimosu Brooks,
Kristen Joy Marceli.
Kristen? Did I say Christine kanina? Okay. Kasi the spelling of her name is Kristen. So it's not Christine, it's Kristen. Kristen. Ang challenging i-pronounce. Girl. Siya yung kapatid ni Kenneth Marcelino. Taga-Taguig ba siya or parang somewhere sa Taguig? There are around 4 or 5 women na na-feature dito sa video na ito, and I think these are just some of the confirmed contestants or candidates na maglalaban-laban para sa Reina Filipinas 2026. Among these girls in the video, who is your bet? Let me know in the comment section.